The second type we are having is unsupervised learning. So in this unsupervised learning, we will pass the input data without the label. So without the label, if we are passing means how our model will understand is. So it will first initially it will take one data and it will try to understand the pattern of that particular data. Then it will take another data and it will try to compare it with the previous data. So if any match is there in those data means it will group them as cluster. Okay, the process of grouping we call it as cluster. So in this example, we can able to see. I haven't given it in order like apple image also is there, banana image also is there. Like that mixedly I have given. But in the output, if you see means it can able to group apple images separately and then banana images separately. But our model doesn't know this is apple image, this is banana image like that. Our model doesn't know. It will simply segregate. Okay, these are all in similar pattern and these are all in the similar pattern. Like that, it will create a lot of clusters. So for this, again, if I want to say one example means, again, small baby is there. Okay, you are not saying that baby, okay, what shape it is, everything you are not saying. Simply you are giving that particular baby with a lot of, toys. Okay, toys is there in different shapes is there. Okay, circle shape, square shape, triangle shape, like that in different shapes you are having some toys. And you are giving empty basket to that baby and you are asking to, segregate. Then what that baby will do is just it will take one object, it will see, okay, it is in round shape or anything. Okay, it will put it in one box. Again, it will take another one object and it will check, okay, whether it is having the same shape or color or anything. If it is different shape means it will put it in different basket. So like that, we can train our model. Okay, suppose I'm having plate images. Okay, I'm passing some plate images and then spoon images and then fork image to my model. Okay. So how many cluster do you think it will create? If I'm passing three different data. Okay. Plate images we can take and then spoon images I'm passing to my model and then fork image I'm passing to my model. How many cluster it can create? So it will actually create only two cluster. As a human, we know that okay, spoon image just different and then fork image is different. But as per the mission, okay, there is 90% similarity between a spoon image and the fork image, right? Only the head portion is going to change. In the spoon, the head portion will be like in oval shape, and in the fork, it will be in like that spikes will be there. So there is very less possibility that it is directing. Okay, it can direct the fork image also as a spoon image. Okay, it doesn't know the name, it doesn't know the label those images. Simply it will categorize. Okay, plate image and all one group, uh, fork and spoon image and all another group. Like that, it will segregate. Okay, so why it is easily detecting the plate image separately means completely the shape, size is not going to match with either the spoon or fork, right? So that is why it is creating it as a separate group. So same concept you can apply it in different places. If you are passing, a bird image, okay, cat image and dog image, and then fish images like that. If you are passing means bird, it will have different features. Okay, so it will create a separate group. And similarly, fish also, the structure, everything is going to be different. So it will create a different group. But when it comes to dog and cat, okay, again the similarities are going to be more. Okay, sometimes some cat look like dog and some dog look like cat. If you have taken a puppy image, means more or less look same. So there is more possibility that it will group a dog image and cat image as a single cluster. Okay, or it can mix match even if it is creating a separate group, a dog images separate group, cat images separate group. There is some possibility that in the cat images some dog image will be there. Similarly, in dog it can have some cat image. There is possibilities are there. So these type of prediction we call it as unsupervised learning. So in unsupervised learning, we are having clustering and then association method. So for clustering, we will use algorithms like principal compound analysis, hierarchical clustering, singular value decomposition, independent component analysis, and then k-means clustering we will use. So where we will use this association method is, if I want to again, I don't know the exact result, I just want to predict it. Mostly used data set for this association method is supermarket data set. Okay, so I will explain you in simple terms. Suppose one supermarket is there. Okay, so in that supermarket, you can find A to Z products, and many customer will come and go, and they will buy different number of products. Okay, one customer can buy 10 products, another customer can buy 2 products, like that they can buy. So what we have to do is we have to perform some analysis, okay, to increase the profit. What is the most frequently bought products in our market, supermarket, like that I want to analyze. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm taking some frequently accessed items from my supermarket, and I will take some person and how they are buying the products. So those details we will see. So I'm taking products like okay, bread, butter, jam, milk, egg. Okay, 5 items I have taken, and I'm just labeling it as like I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Okay, these are all the items. Then I'm taking person one. Okay, person one. What are all the product or the item he is purchasing? Just for our assumption, the first person is buying the bread, okay, butter and jam. Then the person two, what he is doing is he is buying the bread, egg, milk. Okay, milk also is purchasing. Person three, I am taking. So person three, what he is doing is buying bread, jam, and then milk. So like this, as many persons I want, I can able to create. So it is not necessary that everyone has to buy three product. So some can buy more product also. Okay, to increase that. In person one, I can even add. Okay, he is purchasing egg also. So like that I have created. Then what I will do is I will try to compare each and every person with another person. Okay, and I will try to find the common items they have purchased. If I'm comparing person 1 and person 2, what are all the common items they have purchased? So they have purchased the bread and then egg. Okay, item 1 and item 5 they have purchased. Then when I'm comparing person 1 with person 3, then bread is common. That item 1, item 3 is common. Then if I'm comparing person 2 with person 3, Then again, bread and milk is common in this scenario. So likewise, I will start, creating groups. Okay, person one, person two means bread and egg. Person one and person three means bread and jam. Person two and person three means bread and then egg. So like this, I will create group. Then what I will do is I will perform some analysis. So from the analysis, what I will find is before performing the analysis, where these products are placed. Okay, in the supermarket, there is high possibility that one product will be placed in one location and another product will be placed in some other location. Okay, so it will be difficult for the customer to, find each and every product from different location. If it is a big supermarket, means they cannot spend lot of time in finding the product. So if they are taking more time, means they may, leave some of the product in their list. So to avoid that, as well as to make the customer to buy more product. So what we can do is we can arrange all the frequently accessed products. So whenever the person is purchasing bread, because bread is common in all three person. So we will place the bread in one rack. Okay. In near to that particular bread, we will keep all the other products which we are frequently purchasing. So near to the bread, we will keep the butter, jam, egg. Okay, if we want means we can keep the milk also. So what will happen if the person is coming to buy only the bread? And if he is seeing other products also near to that, immediately there is more chances that the person can buy other product also. So it will save their time, as well as increase our profit also. Okay, even if we are not in the plan, okay, the customer is not in the plan of buying other products. The moment he see that product, he may get some idea. Okay, bread we have purchased. Okay, if I purchase egg means I can put some bread omelette and I can eat. Okay, or if he's thinking, okay, I am already having egg in my house, then he can choose jam. Okay, okay, jam bottle is going to get over. I can purchase one jam. And another strategy also the market people can do. What they can do is they can give some offer. Okay, they can mention like, okay, 40% off, 50% off, like that they are putting means even they don't need the product. Just because the offer is there, they will try to purchase the product. Okay, by default, a jam bottle price is 100 rupees. For in an offer, you are giving it for 60 rupees. Immediately they will think, okay, we are getting 40% profit. So they will buy some product. So in this way, indirectly we can increase the sales. So if the sales is increasing, automatically the profit also will get increased. Right. So for this purpose and all, this unsupervised learning, this association concept will be very helpful.